The locust menace, uninvited desert locust which has invaded from Pakistan, is in fact creating havoc here in Rajasthan. 90,000 hectares of land in Rajasthan is right now under attack, and there is a war-like operation which is going against the locust in trying to in fact make sure that these foreign invaders are killed. They are in fact the damage could be minimized. It's a very difficult task, and I today tracked the locusts through the day. To track these locusts, what happens is that by evening, by 7 o'clock, they settle down in various areas. In one day, these locusts travel about 120, 130 kilometers, and with permitting favorable winds, they are in fact at this point of time almost at the knocking doors of the national capital, just about 160, 170 kilometers from the national capital. These swarm that you see, this is in fact part of the swarm which is now trying to settle down. So in this entire area, what we know in the Dausa district is a locust swarm which is about 1 kilometer to 1.5 kilometer length and width, which is now settling down. There is warlike, as I said, efforts being made by the government of Rajasthan, and because of that, some 50 to 60% of the locust, these pests that you see, which are in fact resting on this very tree right now, have been killed. Let's just very quickly take a look at how my day unfolded and what we saw in our journey to try and catch these locusts which are threatening almost 5 states in the country.
A sea of buzzing brown hungry swarms of locusts has taken over the skies of several states in India. India today is chasing one such swarm moving from Rajasthan to Uttar Pradesh that may cross the national capital.
Swarms of locusts, desert locusts that invaded from Pakistan are right now creating a lot of problems, destruction in Rajasthan. We are here in the Dausa district of Rajasthan, where the government overnight in fact had run an operation, and you can see thousands of these desert locusts lying here, almost dead. Many still push as if their life is concerned.
An average swarm of these insects from the grasshopper family can eat up to acres of standing crop within an hour, posing serious threat to farmers and food security.
They leave a complete trail of destruction wherever they go. Everything green that you see, these locusts attack that.
ये एक्चुअल में हम क्या है कि जहाँ जिस जिले से ये आता है माइग्रेट होके
जी,
उस जिले के जो वहाँ के अधिकारी हैं कृषि विभाग के, उनसे हम संपर्क में रहते हैं और इसकी लोकेट करते रहते हैं कि ये कहाँ पे आ रहा है, और फिर हम पूरी रूपरेखा बनाते हैं, और उसके बाद करीब 1 बजे के आसपास मिडनाइट के बाद ये ऑपरेशन हम चालू करते हैं। क्यों कि उस वक्त ये टिड्डियाँ पेड़ों पे बिल्कुल आराम से सेट हो जाती है और डिस्टर्ब नहीं होती।
So the one that you see on my shirt right now is a young locust, and the yellow ones that you see in the hands of Mr. Sharma, they are the adults. So
fully adult, ready for egg laying.
Experts say that these little insects can fly up to 150 kilometers per hour at a stretch before settling down to feed. Rajasthan is facing its worst locust attack in nearly 3 decades. A wave of locust swarms have swept many cities, including the capital, Jaipur. The only way to prevent them is loud noise, fire torches, and spraying of pesticide. Jaipur administration is using drones to keep an eye on locust movement.
रात को प्रशासन द्वारा और एग्रीकल्चर विभाग और काश्तकारों ने मिलकर उन पे स्प्रे की कार्रवाई की गई है।
ग्राम पंचायतों का इसमें विशेष सहयोग लिया गया है। पटवारी कृषि पर्यवेक्षक को व्यापक रूप से लगाया गया है। आईईसी की एक्टिविटीज की गई हैं। सभी को इस बात के लिए सावचेत किया गया है कि ध्वनि और धुआं के माध्यम से तेज शोरगुल करके इनको भगाया जा सकता है।
Locusts have left a trail of destruction and misery in western Madhya Pradesh, Jhansi in Uttar Pradesh, and parts of Maharashtra.
यहाँ के लोगों की फसलें और साग सब्जी की फसलों की काफ़ी भारी मात्रा में नुकसान हो रहा है। जहाँ से ये टिड्डियाँ निकल जाती हैं वहाँ फसल में कुछ भी नहीं बचता है। जो हमारा बीमा फसल का होता है उसमें टिड्डियों का कॉलम नहीं है।
An alert has been sounded in Haryana and Punjab. The Delhi government too has issued an advisory over possible locust attack.
तीनों MCD को, उनके कमिश्नर को, NDMC को एडवाइजरी जारी कर दी है, जिससे कि उन लोगों को अलर्ट हमने कर दिया है और जिसमें दवाओं के छिड़काव की तैयारी करने के लिए उनको एडवाइजरी दिया गया है।
The state governments and Union Agricultural Ministry have stepped up control operations in affected districts. The government is also procuring 60 massive spraying machines from the United Kingdom. Bureau Report, India Today.
All right. So the locust, in fact, it all largely depends on the kind of wind that they are getting right now. It seems to be some sort of a storm, which is, a mud storm, a sandstorm kind of a situation, which is brewing here, if you can see in this lens. Now, the way this direction of the wind, which has suddenly changed, this could, in fact, push the entire locust swarm back towards Jaipur. And in a way, of course, bad news for Jaipur, but this could be some sort of a saving grace as far as the national capital possibly is concerned. Will give them a little bit of more time. So while this storm which is around me, which is, this wind kind of a thing that is brewing up, this is going to change the direction of the locusts, which way these locusts are going to go. Now, very quickly, we'll keep bringing you more stories about how the locusts are in fact impacting this entire area of Rajasthan and others as well.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.